The top 10 tech gadgets that you need to sell on your dropshipping stores to rake in more sales and more profit. We've noticed a significant increase in the sales of tech gadgets during the past several months, and it makes sense because of the COVID-19 situation, which is still going on. People are bored at home, and one of the ways that they entertain themselves is by buying a brand new tech gadget which makes them happy. That's why in this video, I'm going to be going over the top 10 tech gadgets that you need to sell on your dropshipping stores to once again rake in more sales and get that extra profit that you deserve. Quick intro, let's begin. Hello everyone, my name is Liran from AutoDS. I'm the content producer and I've also been dropshipping for the last 4 years. And like I said, in this video, we are going to be going over the top 10 tech gadgets that you need to sell on your dropshipping stores to rake in more sales and higher profits. And right before we begin, I just want to remind you guys to like this video because it really helps out our channel. Share this video so that your friends and family will also have the opportunity to learn about the wonderful and amazing world of dropshipping. And if you are new, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can always stay updated on very valuable and informational videos like this one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. The best products to sell on your dropshipping stores when it comes to tech gadgets. The first product on the list is a product line called phone sanitizers. Many people are buying this product now, and the reason for that is because they want to feel more clean. They know that the air outside is contaminated by the pandemic, and a phone sanitizer is one of the ways to stay hygienic because it's one of the things that we touch the most during the day, and it's really dirty, it's full of bacteria, and we want this device to stay clean. So phone sanitizers have started selling a lot, and if you're not selling them, you should definitely add this product to your dropshipping stores. Here it is on some of our suppliers. And if you're only working with one supplier, I definitely recommend that you guys work with 3 dropshipping suppliers, because if you're only working with one dropshipping supplier, you're really limiting your reach to the products that you have and to the overall service that you can give your customers. You don't want to make the mistake of working with only one supplier. It's also not very good balance for your business. Work with 3 dropshipping suppliers. This is the optimal number to be working with. If you're going to have 5 or 10 suppliers, once again, it's just going to make it too confusing and you're not going to take full advantage of each and every supplier. So phone sanitizers is the first product that I want you guys to add to your stores. And when I mean add to your stores, I mean add 20 products of each product line that I'm going to give you guys. If you want to add more than 20 products, the more the merrier. You're simply going to have more data to analyze and you're going to get better results. But if you're going to add less than 20 products, you won't have enough data to analyze it and you won't get the results that you're looking for. So add at least 20 products from each product idea that I'm passing on to you guys in this video. One more quick thing. Everything that I'm talking about in this video, you guys can find it on the full blog below. So watch this video and then read the blog. This way you'll enrich your knowledge the right way and you'll have all of these product ideas in your head and it'll be much easier for you to go and implement it. The second product idea that I have for you guys to add to your stores are laser hair removers. So women are not going out to pedicure and manicure and all of those services. That's because they're simply not available on lockdown. So it's a good thing that we have our dropshipping stores. We can simply sell these products. They are super trendy right now. You can just see by the number of orders and reviews that this is a very popular product. And if you search it within your multiple suppliers, you'll definitely find some secret hidden gems that not many people are selling and that you can sell it before anyone else. So this is a very trendy product right now. Add them to your stores. It's as simple as copying them from our blog, pasting them on your supplier search engines, and adding at least 20 different products from this product line. So that's the second product that I have for you guys. The third product are sleep headphones. So this is obviously a combination between eye covers and headphones, and it's simply a comfortable way to fall asleep. This is a new niche. It hasn't been around for a while, so you can definitely grab it while it's starting to trend. Let me just show you really quick. This is what the product looks like. You have it in a few different variations and forms, so search them up with multiple suppliers. Check out the variety and start adding them to your stores. This is a very popular product that's starting to trend right now. So sleep headphones are the third product line that I want you guys to add to your stores. And this brings us to product number 4. Now we're on true wireless earbuds. Now this is not a new trend. Apple started the trend of earbuds. And ever since then, so many competitors have started selling them because so many people are buying them. Not everyone is buying Apple's headphones. not just because they're more expensive than most of the wireless earbuds that you're gonna find, which are also of very high quality, but people are looking for different variations, different colors, and different features, and Apple is not an all-in-one supplier for everything that people want. Therefore, there are so many variations of these true wireless earbuds, so add them to your stores and enjoy those sales too. True wireless earbuds is product line number 4 that I want you guys to add. This brings us to product line number 5, and now we're on Mountain River incense holders. You probably never heard of this product line before, and that's fine. This is one of the great things about dropshipping. You're always going to learn about products that you never thought even existed, let alone products that even sell. This is a combination between a gadget and a home decor product. There's many types of different designs, and if you search it up with different suppliers, you're definitely going to find many variations of this product that you can sell. Like, check out this cool looking dragon over here. So search it up with your suppliers to check out the variations. If this product wasn't trending, I wouldn't be recommending it to you guys. You can just see by the number of sales and reviews that this product line has. And we've noticed all of its recent sales, which is why I want you guys to add them to your stores and enjoy those profits too. So that's product line number 5. Which brings us to product line number 6 on the list, and now we are on temperature controlled smart mug. So the general niche here would be a coffee mug, but if I told you guys to dropship coffee mugs, you probably won't be able to sell them. So then we start breaking it down to see what's selling inside regular general mugs, and then we found these temperature controlled smart mugs. And once we saw the recent sales, I personally added them to my stores too, and there is a level of success, which is why I want you guys to also add them to your dropshipping stores. So temperature controlled smart mugs are mugs that can simply control the temperature of your beverage, so you won't have to go and microwave your coffee to keep it hot. Not many people are dropshipping this product yet. You can make some great profit from it because it's hard to pinpoint the exact price of how much a temperature controlled coffee mug should be. And it has a high price tag, which gives you a higher profit margin when you're selling this product. So check out these temperature controlled smart mugs, and let's move on to product line number 7. And on number 7 on the list, we have charging cord bracelet. The general niche here would be a charging cord or a bracelet, and the micro niche, which is the gem that we found here, is the combination of them both. So when your phone runs out of battery, you got your bracelet, no problem. So here they are on AliExpress. They have a whole bunch. Amazon also have their share. Walmart also has them. So just search it up with your suppliers. It's as easy as copying them from the blog and pasting them in your supplier search engines. This brings us to product number 8 on the list of top tech gadgets that are super trendy and are selling hot. And now we're on a product called self-cleaning water bottle. What it does is very self-explanatory, so just search it up on one of your suppliers and you'll be able to find it in its many different variations and forms and different colors. And if you try selling this wooden one, you'll probably have some good success because I haven't seen a lot of people selling it, and I do see that people are buying it. So self-cleaning water bottles is another great addition of tech gadgets that not a lot of people are selling. Check out this bling bling one. Haven't seen a lot of people selling this one too, and I can see that it is selling well, besides the fact that this category in general has started selling well recently. So add that also to your list. And this brings us to product number 9 on the list of products that have been super trendy lately and are still trending now. And now we're on star projector night lights. I have seen people selling this on eBay successfully, but on Shopify, I have seen amazing results on these star projector night lights. I've seen people dropshipping them from AliExpress, but I guarantee you guys that if you check for the same product through US suppliers, you're also going to find a good variety, and many customers are going to want to have faster shipping, which is why you should also look at US suppliers for this trendy product and for other trending products. So the Star Projector Nightlight has been a huge success recently. Add at least 20 Star Projector Nightlights to your stores, even more if you can. And this brings us to the 10th product that I want you guys to add to your stores in tech gadgets, and the 10th product is baby humidifiers. This isn't a new niche, but recently it started trending again in sales. And that's because parents want to take care of their baby's health and hygiene. And this product keeps renewing itself in new designs and new features. So parents are always looking to buy new humidifiers and not use the same ones that they had last year and 2 years ago. So once again, this category started selling a lot recently. That's why I want you to add it to your stores. Check the number of reviews, check the number of people that are buying it, and combine that with the data that we have of the number of sales that we saw in this category, and you will understand why I want you guys to add it to your stores, get more sales, and enjoy those extra profits. Baby humidifiers are on the list of the top tech gadgets that are selling right now, and that sums up the 10 products that I want you guys to add to your stores. Once again, this doesn't mean that you need to add 10 products. You need to add 20 products on each product line that I'm giving you in this video so that you can analyze the data in a much better way. You will hit those sales if you start implementing the strategies that I'm passing on to you guys. Now, I want to show you guys a way where you can grab all of the products that you see on one of your product pages and add them to your stores in just a matter of a minute or two. Adding many products to your stores can sometimes take a significant amount of time, and this is time that you don't have. You may think that you have this time, but you need it for other tasks that are crucial to grow your dropshipping business. So how do you come across adding a whole bunch of products to your store at once? Let me show you guys really quick. There's an extension called the AutoDS Helper. So if you just write that on Google, you'll see on your first result, you'll have the extension. Simply add it to your Chrome. And once you add it, head over to one of your suppliers' pages, search up the products that you want to add to your stores. So let's go with the last one that we searched over here, the baby humidifiers. Let's say I want to add all of these products to my store, but I don't want to enter the listings one by one. It's simply going to take all day, if not even more. So what you have to do is click on the extension circle that you see here on the bottom right. Click on the extract button. Now what happened was all of the baby humidifiers that we see on this screen simply added themselves into the little extension that we have. These are the product IDs. The next thing that you need to do is click on export as CSV. And as you can see here, it downloaded the file onto my computer. The next thing that you need to do is head on to the AutoDS platform. For those of you who are dropshipping on eBay, you're not seeing this layout yet, but you will see it soon. And for those of you who are with us on Shopify, this is the layout that you're seeing now. So what you need to do is click on Add Products, then click on Upload CSV. And here you can click to open up your browser and show them where you have that file that you exported. So for me, it's right here, the Amazon export. I'm just gonna double click on it. Processing CSV. File is uploaded. Now, all of the products that I had from the extension over here, all 55 of those products have been added to AutoDS, but they haven't been added to my store yet. Now we're going to start the upload process. So first thing, choose which supplier all of those products are coming from. If you click on that, you'll see all of our supported suppliers, and we're always working on adding more. So stay tuned for more suppliers, but there is already more than enough for you guys to work with, as you can see here. So in this case, we're on Amazon. The region is the United States. You have your advanced options. I'm not going to go over them now in this video, but if you guys need help adding products to your stores, we have technical videos in our AutoDS knowledge base, and you can always chat using the chat button that you see down here to speak with one of our representatives and get help on any topic that you need. So now that we have all of the 55 baby humidifiers in here, we're going to click on next. Then we're going to start configuring the upload process. So if you don't choose the supplier's default settings, you can choose which template you want to use. You can create, edit, or add new templates. But what I do want to talk to you guys about is tagging your products, because this is a really, really important issue that you need to take advantage of if you want to have better product research and a good database to be able to analyze which products are going well. Think about the category that it belongs to, and think about the micro niche that it belongs to. So in this case, we're in the baby category. So I can do two things here. I can give it a tag called baby. So anything in the baby niche, I'm going to add the baby tag to it. And in this case, we're also talking about humidifiers. So if I want to have a niche on humidifiers, I'm also going to create a tag called humidifiers. Okay, now in a month or two, when I'll want to analyze the data of all of the products that I have, for example, in the baby niche, then all I have to do is open all of the product tags that have baby on them. Then I'll see a full list of all of the products that have the baby tag in them. And this way I can analyze the baby niche and see which are the best months to sell baby products for example, if it's not an evergreen niche. And on the other hand, if I'm also testing the humidifiers niche without being associated only to baby products, maybe I want to add more humidifiers that are not just baby humidifiers. So I'm going to give each humidifier a humidifier tag. And then in 1, 2, or 3 months from now, I can analyze all of my humidifiers and see which ones of them are selling well, regardless if they're baby humidifiers or not. So product tagging is very, very crucial for the long-term success and overall profit of your business. So tag your products. It doesn't cost you anything, and it'll just give you more profit in the future. So again, I'm not going to go over the rest of the options because I don't want this video to be too long. The tagging is very important. Once you click on next, you'll be taken to the pricing configurations. After that, the shipping and policies. And after that, import to store, where you will have an option if you want to import these products directly to your store, which means they will go live and AutoDS will monitor them. Or you can import them to the drafts page and continue optimizing the products before importing them to your store, having AutoDS monitor them, and having them go live for your customers to buy. So that's pretty much it. That's how simple it is to add a whole bunch of products, and you can add tens or hundreds and even thousands of products in that CSV file and import it to AutoDS for the upload process. So 2 minutes of work for tens to hundreds of thousands of products. That's how simple it is. And I definitely encourage you guys to use these features that will help you grow your business and profit more. So that wraps up this video for you guys. I hope that you guys learned a lot from it. If you did, give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can always learn on informational and valuable videos like this one. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next videos.